This is February 2nd, 2021 at about 6 p.m. And the snow has already fallen, the blizzard is now done, and we have about 1.5 feet of snow. It's quite a challenge to walk it, and I'm just going to walk the boulder trail. But it's always good to put a challenge for yourself. Minor challenge, nothing big. The snow is up to almost my knees, but I got nice warm boots. And they're made of rubber, so it's joyful. The top of this hill is a campsite. Guy camps there all year long, even in the negative Fahrenheit weather. You gotta respect him, and part of me envies him. But the grass is always greener on someone else's lawn. But I don't even like grass. What's next?